nervous. I'm going to be doing the Zen Detox. Nervous because my hair is so long, and it is a clay mask for your scalp to get all of the metals and toxins and fun stuff out of your scalp and hair. So here we go. In my hair, and I put some on my face also just to see what it does with the acne bumps. I have acne bumps I have going on right now, so we'll see how it goes when I get it out. It wasn't that hard putting it in. It was a little weird at first, but once you get it in there and like get your hair up, you can kind of like really get it into the scalp, which is what I was focusing on for the most part. So I'm excited. So my 10 minutes is up. I don't feel like a lot of pulling or discomfort in the hair mask. Don't know if I didn't put enough or if I should just let it stay longer. So I think I'm going to let it stay a little bit longer. But I am going to wash it off my face because it is dried out a lot and I am very sensitive to drying. But okay, so I waited like 4 more minutes. So about like 14 minutes on the hair now. It's still not like hurting me, but I think I'm going to go ahead and take it out, wash it out so it doesn't dry all the way because they said that dries out your hair really bad. But my face where I put the mask is so soft and smooth. It did like pore refining beyond any clay mask I've used before. Hair is out, feels pretty good. The day after the clay mask, my hair did feel a little bit gunky up top, but very soft, super soft, and my skin, and there's still a little scab here, but it did dry up this acne bump, which was like not a good one. Could have got bad, and now it's just a little scab and it feels flat, so I don't think there's anything underneath it, which is really exciting. Gonna be making that clay mask into my routine. But yeah, my hair did feel a little bit gunky and I let it have a day, and then the next day I did the shampoo bar and shampoo bar and conditioner bar. Wow. It completely like cleansed the gunk out. It's actually been, this is the day after I did the shampoo bars. So I don't know if you can tell, but it is very soft and shiny. Doesn't feel too gunky. Haven't noticed a lot of stuff on the scalp. And I do get dandruffed pretty easily. So that's been exciting, not dealing with that. It feels really, like if you take just a couple strands and run your fingers through it, you don't feel, it doesn't feel gritty. My hair did before. So yeah, I can't wait until I do another mask. But tomorrow I am doing the thickening cut. I was gonna wait until for a root cut day to kind of just start with the roots, but yeah, the moon's saying thicken, so I'm gonna go with the moon on this one, and I'll do the roots next month when the moon says root 'em.